Hey everyone, today we're diving into how to cancel an order on Depop. Stick around till the end to grasp all the details. Here's how you can cancel an order on Depop. Go to www.depop.com and find the login option on your screen. Enter your correct details to access your account. On the dashboard, at the top right, select the icon on the far right to access options related to your account. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose purchases from the list. You'll see a new page displaying all your orders. Find the order you want to cancel and select it. A new page will appear with more details about the order. Look for the Cancel Order option on the screen and select it. When prompted, provide details on why you want to cancel your order. You can choose from the list of reasons provided or provide your explanation in the text box. Confirm your cancellation by selecting Cancel Order again. Following these steps, you can easily cancel an order on Depop. Thanks for tuning in.